So problem 28, we need to find the integral of e power sine x into sine 2x dx. So we need to find the right answer. So here I have e power sine x. So let me expand sine 2x. So we know that sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x dx. Okay. So now let me make a substitution. So let me put sine x equal to t. So therefore cos x dx is equal to dt. So I have e power t, I take 2 outside. So here this is t, sine x is t, isn't it? And cos x dx is dt. So now let me integrate this. So if I integrate this, I have, let me take this as the first function and this is the second one. So the first function into integral of the second function, which is e power t, minus integral of the second function, which is e power t, into differential of the first function, which is t. The first function is t, differential of the first function t is 1. So I have 2 into, so I can take e power t common outside, so I get t minus 1. So substitute for t, t is sine x. So I have 2 e power sine x into sine x minus 1. Right? So if you observe the given 4 options, which you can see on the screen, this corresponds to D. Right? So the right answer is D. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads, and keep a watch for all the other solutions of KCET 2020 and all the other entrance exam problems.